Your visible phone number or caller ID is the number displayed to the person you're calling. Changing it usually involves requesting a new number from your provider. In 2025, this is often done online. Reasons for changing include privacy protection, avoiding harassment, or simply wanting a new number. You can request a new number directly through your carrier, like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, or use a third-party app like Google Voice or Burner for a virtual number. Remember that the FCC mandates that carriers process number change requests within 24 hours for harassment-related cases. Changing a number typically costs between $0 to $50 depending on the provider and the reason for the change. It's often free if related to safety concerns. There are two primary ways to request a new visible phone number. First, contact your current carrier through customer service, their app, or website, and select a new number from available options. You'll need to verify your identity. Fees for this method range from $10 to $30, but may be waived in cases involving safety concerns. Secondly, you can use third-party apps like Hushed or TextNow, which offer virtual numbers for a subscription fee, typically $5 to $20 per month, bypassing traditional carriers. These apps might have a one-time setup cost of up to $50. Keep in mind that privacy laws govern how your data is handled during this process, and your old number may be recycled.